Hi friends, so welcome to another session of assembly language programming. Today's topic is how to write a program that will reverse the given string. The logic for this program or the algorithm for this program is: step 1, declare the source string. Step 2, find the length of the source string. Step 3, declare the destination string. Step 4, point source string with SI, point destination string with DI. Then add len-2 to SI. So why you need to do this is you need to take your SI to the end of the first string or the source string, so that you can start copying from the last character and copy that character into the second string. So you need to repeat this step for len-1 number of times. So for that you need to pass len-1 to CL. The next step is copy each character from SI to DI. Then you need to bring the SI to backward direction because you need to copy the characters in reverse order. So decrement SI, then you need to increment the DI, then for every pass you need to decrement the count, so decrement CL. So repeat this step 6 and 7 until the count becomes 0 or CL becomes 0. So this is the memory layout. So assume that this is the data segment. It's a string 1, that is Seenu I have taken. The last character of the string is $, and I have taken an empty string which consists of all dollars, so that is string 2. I will point my string 1 with SI and I will point my string 2 with DI. Then I will copy every character of string 1 from end of the string to the second string, that is str2. So this is a program, so reversing the string. For this program I'm using the macro for printing the string. So you know that how to print a string, you need to pass 9 into AH, then call interrupts21H, that will print your string. So here I have declared a macro. So print macro is having a one parameter, that is MSG. So the address of MSB is taken into DX, then move 9 into AH, interrupt21H and M. This will print our string. This is the data segment. In data segment, str1 is the source string, so I have taken my name as a string. Then I have destination string. So this is the logic. So first we need to initialize the data segment, then point string 1 with SI, point string 2 with DI, then add len-2 to SI, take len-1 into count register, that is a CL. Then the logic or the loop here is move each character from SI into DI. So you cannot directly move the character, so you need to take the character into AL, then copy that character from AL into DI. So this will copy the character from str1 into str2. So these red color font lines that will repeatedly copy the character from string 1 into string 2. Next you need to decrement the SI so that you can copy the next character, that is from the last. Then increment the DI. Then you need to decrement the count register and jump if not 0 to back. So this can be implemented with the instruction called a loop here. These two lines will decrement the SI and increment the DI. Loop instruction will decrement the count register CL, and if CL is not 0, then it jumps to the label back. And print str2 is the macro call. That means you are printing the string 2 to see that whether your string is reversed or not. Move AH, force H, interrupt 21H, code and send star. This will end the end of the execution. Now let's move into the execution part. Print as I have already created the program with a name called reverse. So let's open that reverse. So this is the program that I have shown you in the presentation. So let's save this. Assemble the code. TASM reverse .asm. You can see that there are no errors and warning messages. Just link your code. T-link. Reverse. You know that the file extension is obj. Just execute the program. You can see that my name Seenu is actually reversed. You can see that the reverse string on the screen. This is one way of executing your program. There is another way with a turbo debugger. I'll also show that. TD reverse data segment initialization. This is pointing SI to the first string and pointing DI to the second string and moving SI to the end of the first string, then taking count into CL. Okay, now I'll show you the memory part. Alt view, go to dump here, open the dump. I will maximize this. Here on this side you can see that there is a Seenu name here and followed by all the dollars. Okay, so this is a before reversing your string. I'm just closing the dump. Let's continue the execution. So each character is getting copied here. So you can see that CX is decrementing. Now CX has become 1 and CX is finally 0. And I'm just printing my string on the screen. Now I'll again show you the dump part. Here you can see that this is my name Seenu and this is my name Seenu in reverse order because I have reversed the string. Let's close this. So that is the code terminated. Okay, that's it my friends. So this is a program to print the string in reverse order or to reverse a given string. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.